This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Sylvia from Form Prints. Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Make sure to check out my channel by clicking on the link in the description below. Hope you enjoy your video.
Yeah, check that out. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. These pretzel, little bag of pretzels, these are Sylvia treats inside the truck. These are... the heck? See? The heck? Anyway, you want us to showcase your channel? Be sure to check out the description below and click that link for the rules and regulations. Alright, here we go. Part 15, 2003 Jeep Liberty Sport 3.7 engine rebuild. Partial engine rebuild. Last time we left off, luckily we looked up, did a little research, and we found out these bearings, the main bearings, has select fit bearings. That means on each journal there's a different bearing. And you got to check out the little wheel on the back, and I'm about to show you, and it has little letters, and you got to match it up. Check out the last part. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, today, we got the new bearings, right from Chrysler themselves, and we're going to show you how to install them. We're going to put them in. But you know what? It's better for me to show you than tell you. We'll be right back. Alright guys, check it out. We already took the crank out and all, because they ain't no use in you showing you that. You already know how to take it out and put it back in. So we already got it out. Now we're going to go over here. Got our bed plate already out. Got it cleaned up. You know.
Give me.
Cleaned up and ready. Now, if you failed to pay attention to the last episode, here's our crank. Now I'm going to turn my crank around.
Gloves.
I don't know. The heck, no gloves. Let's see what I'm on. And you see, right there, you got 3 letter U's. You're gonna have different letters. 4 U's. What did I say?
3.
Then it's 3. If I say it's 3, it's 3. Don't even pay attention to another one. Anyway, there's 4 U's here.
Count.
Well, I don't. Some people.
They're doing rebuilding an engine.
These letters are going to be different. Your ring is going to have different letters and all that. This one, we lucked out.
RSTU.
Yeah, RSTU. Ours have 4 U's, which means starting from the first U, that's going to be the first main journal, and then work your way back. All right? So we're going to get these set up, and Sylvia's going to explain to you which one goes where. We're going to start off right here with the bed plate. All right? We'll be right back.
Okay, here are our 4 boxes. As you guys can see, you have 2 of the same, and then 2 here are the same. So what it's gonna be is the ones ending in 39AB. It's gonna be for what are those things
Main
called?
journals.
So the main journal 1 and 4.
So we're gonna take this like this. Here's our main journal, starting from the front of the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got go right here, and we got here.
And then the other 2 are going to be for 2 and 3. Those
Okay.
And 40.
Now we're going to put them in. You want to make sure, again, the outside is nice and clean. No grease, no nothing. All right? So we got our bearings set up. Let's open this up. Ooh, Chrysler good. They individually wrap these things. Mopar. We take one out of the box. Make sure you line up the tang with each one. Wow, these are some thick bearings.
Why is there a number 2 on it?
Oh, you know what? I forgot to tell you guys something. I just happened to luck out and open up the right one. One is going to have a hole in it. That's the oil, where the oil flows through. So you want to make sure you put the one in the right spot where it belongs. This one has nothing up there. So that one's going to go right there, line up with the tang, and push it down into place. I'm going to put that there. Number 2. Same thing. Place. All right, let's do the other 2, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, this is looking great. Look at that. Got them bearings in there. Now what we're gonna do is go. I'm gonna take the both outer ones. Actually, I'm gonna take 1 and 2 and go over here to the engine. Okay, set it right here. Again, same thing, nice and clean, no oil, no nothing. Set that down. Just like that. And see how the hole is? Like these got holes in it. That's where the oil pumps through at. So you don't want to block that off. Alright, let's get our number 2 in. Great. Let's get our other 2 and we'll be right back. Alright guys, they are all into place. What the heck going on out there? This is great. The next thing we're going to do is put a little lithium grease on each of these and the rods, and we're going to put this back together. There's no use in you seeing this. You saw us do it before. Go back on the video if you want to see it. Alright, so the next part that when you see is that we're going to start putting on the heads and do it on that where we left off last. Alright, we'll be right back.
Alright, that was the end of part 15 on this partial rebuild on the 2003 Jeep Liberty Sport 4-wheel drive with a 3.7 engine. So we're now going to show you the rest of it because you guys have already seen it. I'm sure you guys don't want to watch it again. So we're just going to come back after it's all put back together. So, well, not the whole engine, but the plate, the bed plate goes back on. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post them below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can repair it, nobody can. See you next time.
Yeah, you got that nice brand. She got that nice brand new shirt on. Look at that.
I saw a smirk on his face. I knew he was going to say something.
Look at the logo. Look at that shirt, man. That's messed up. Look at the star on it and all that. You see that? And then let me turn around. Look at this little bitty, corny one I got on my shirt. What the heck, man? Where is it? There it is. Here, look at mine, man. Look at mine. And then look at hers. What the heck? See, bats. It ain't all just about you. Got the worst end of the deal.
I designed this myself.
You designed mine too. Mine came out crummy, looking like I'm a stepchild or something.
A stepchild.
All right. See you later.